Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall today, I would consider a very successful day. Reason number one, if you look at just the broad markets had a very, very rough go at it today. And this one just basically went sideways. The second reason being the context of, the big movement, the big gap down yesterday. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But I'm sure you've seen stocks that gap down. They, make a move, come back up, and then the next day they just give it all back and down it goes. But that wasn't the case here. I mean, like I said, was today exciting? No, not really. It just went sideways. But given those bigger context pieces, I mean, I should also note that this price movement doesn't mean that for sure guaranteed this thing is getting ready to skyrocket back to the upside. I'm just saying that given, the outside kind of context of everything that's, playing out, overall, just simply going sideways is a nice step in the right direction, and it makes it at least plausible, at least makes it a rational thought to have that, maybe just maybe there is some sort of, sideways, bottoming portion or, formation here that is happening that could create a bigger move to the upside. Still work to be done, though. Okay, Clay, well, what is this work that needs to be done? Well, it's still all about that red line right there at 345, which I've talked about in previous videos. So, I mean, like I said, you don't want to get... It's okay to have some hope in the sense of, okay, it's rational to have some hope that maybe this is the bottom, but you don't want to have too much hope because, I mean, as of right now, the price still hasn't even been able to break up above 345. But overall, like I said, given how bad the market was, and then given that the nature of this, how much it gapped down previously, it's hanging in there. It's trying to flex its muscles. It's trying to chip away and build a bottom. So we'll see if the price can ultimately chip away, build that bottom, and then maybe get some upwards movement next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.